Sige, solve natin ito. Wait lang. Okay, so, a 3-phase Y connected 20 megawatts of load power factor 0.866 is to be supplied by a transmission line at 130 volts. So, assume natin na, na short transmission line kasi yung mga given values natin ay or given na choices natin is mga maliliit lang yan. So, drawing muna tayo dito ng short transmission line, which is grounded. This is yung load natin. Dito pala reactance na. So, resistance. And then, it is desired that the line losses not to exceed 5%. So, ibig sabihin, yung OP losses natin is not to exceed 5% daw of the load. Ito, losses ng load daw. The purpose resistance is 0.7 ohms. So, 0.7 ohm per phase. What is the maximum length of the line? So, ang working equation natin dito is meron naman tayong power which is 20 megawatts. Then meron din tayong power factor which is 0.866 lagging siya. So inductive load pala yung inaano niya. Then meron din tayong 138 kV which is assume natin lagyan na line voltage yan. Dito yung galing 138 kV. Yan. Then what is the maximum length of the line? Ito ang length ng line is we can determine the length of the line sa resistance nito. So, for equation natin ay Pi squared R. Sabi, not to exceed 5% of the load. So, ibig sabihin, yung power natin ng load, we will multiply it by 5%. Ayun yung P losses natin. So, ibig sabihin yan, 0.05 times 20 megawatts e-raised to 6 na natin equals 3 pala to kasi 3 phase I squared R. So I, paano natin mahanap ng I? I is equals to P over V. Pero 3 square root of 3 cosine theta. Tama? So, yan. Then, meron tayong 20 megawatts over square root of 3 times 132 E3 times 0.866. Then, dito 0.7x. Bakit? Malalaman natin yung length ng line. Ito. If we're going to multiply the resistance, kasi ang resistance is R PLA. Is this directly proportional with the length? So, kapag sinipsolve natin yun, we will have a 51 kV. So, ibig sabihin, yung short transmission line na to is 51 km yung length niya at maximum value. I think meron to meron to variation. So, ganito siya isolve guys. Yung concept din niya ganun. Na yung P losses is 5% ng load.